Nature of goodwill. It is a valuable, intangible asset. It is amortized over its estimated useful life. Accounting Standard 26. Intangible asset prescribes that goodwill should be recognized in the books of account if consideration is paid for it. Classification of goodwill. There are two types of goodwill: purchased goodwill and self-generated goodwill or non-purchased goodwill. Purchased goodwill. Purchased goodwill is that goodwill for which the firm has to pay consideration in cash or kind. Self-generated goodwill or non-purchased goodwill. Self-generated goodwill is the goodwill which is not purchased for a consideration but is earned by the efforts of the management or partners.